Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So very similar to the Dow Jones, the DAX is pretty much range bound as well. And you can see we had a bit of a rally and then a sell-off coming in late in the day. But yeah, there's nothing really that excites me at the moment on this thing. So we are testing this level yet again. So just get this level correct. Okay, there it is there. We sort of closed just below it as well. This kind of price action here is not really conducive for me to getting me to look for opportunities on this. So big up, big down, big confusion. Okay, and that has been pretty much what's been transpiring. You can see there's little triangles. I mean, that's a massive indecision bar, well, two indecision bars there, and then a sell-off. So yeah, for me this is not exciting me any which way. We are struggling with this area here, 12878. The silver lining here is that there's more attempts above it than below that area. So I would be inclined to believe that we have a bit of a floor forming here. There is a little gap here, and I think there's a gap to the downside. There's that gap's closed. There is another gap higher up as well. So we've got two gap magnets. I don't see any opportunities here, guys, to be honest with you. I think the S&P 500 will probably give you a better opportunity. It has hit an all-time high after hours, so you probably find that you'll have a decent opportunity there in the morning session to tag that all-time high, get out of it, and then wait for the pullback and then go for it again. So that's kind of my view at the moment in the markets, well, specifically indexes. I think Forex has a few better opportunities as well. But for the DAX, until we get some direction, until we get the moving average pointing up or down and finding some kind of a direction, I'm pretty much staying out of this. We are battling to hold a level. You can see, there was this was a level right here, okay. You can see 12956. We break through it. We have one bar retest, and then we barrel right the way through it, and we fail to find support there. So we are struggling to find supports. I think if you just get the 4 hour here as well, you'll see we keep having these areas of indecision. See, there's one, and then we find direction. There's one, then we found direction. Here's another one, and then we found direction. And this is just a big, well, there's one as well. We found some sort of direction, and now we're battling again. Okay, I'm not really interested in this right now, and I think the euro is playing a big role in this at the moment. So we've got a fairly strong euro against the dollar right now, and there's probably more upside for the euro coming, which is going to negatively impact the DAX. So yeah, so for me, I'm sitting on the sidelines. This is range bound. Not interested in trading ranges, not even on a 15-minute chart. If you are really wanting to trade this, bottom of range you're long, top of range you're short. But even that you can see breakout and then pull back. So this is a consolidation after this move down. So technically you would expect another move down. But yeah, for me, guys, this is not something that I want to trade. So I will definitely be sitting on my hands, not bothering to waste any money on this. We'll see what happens lower down. If we do manage to close the gap here, and we've got quite a few tails here, so just use a block here. So we've got quite a few areas where we could find support down in this area here, okay, and that's pretty much between 12671 and 12729. Let's see what happens down there. If we get there, that would be something that I would be paying attention to. If I look at the daily, you can see nothing really there. The next level is quite far down on the daily. Okay, we are still trending up, so I'm still looking for opportunities to buy into, but we need either a decent pullback onto a level, find support and buy a step in, or alternatively we need a decent breakout and a retest. So until one of those happens, I'm not interested. Anyway, that's me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.